probably going to be a Khronos Security Clears an Empty Building Part 2. I might get lucky, it might be a Khronos Security Arrest. Kind of doubt it though. Looks like someone might be in there. I'm just waiting for an extra cover car before we actually go in. I'll see what happens. I wouldn't expect too much. You're probably going to be sitting here waiting for 5 minutes of dead air if anything really good happens. And by good, I mean we actually end up going in there. Because I'm not very hopeful. It's been a while since someone actually broke into this place, so we'll see how it goes. Well, I didn't get a call from my manager, so there's a good chance that it is nothing. But it's still December, so I'll put on the Santa hat and hopefully I'll finally get my Christmas arrest. I've been waiting for that one for quite a while. I'm getting a call though from the first person scouting it out, so we'll see how this goes. Hey, what's going on?
So at the back.
Hold on. Hold on. Stupid technology. Yes, sir. What was that? No. You know what? It's probably nothing. It is probably just a reflection from somewheres, but it's worth taking a look anyway. Yeah, which is actually kind of unusual because usually it's pretty sealed shut. Yeah, and the lower levels doesn't seem to have it either. So there might actually be someone in there. I'm not hopeful. I have video going just in case. If anything, just another YouTube video. Probably, yeah, me and Potato will go in. I mean, if you hear yelling, just get on the phone with the RCs and tell them that someone's up there. No, there's no direct line. You also have to call non-emergency. Do you have that number? Or? Yeah, we don't call 911 unless some people are bleeding. Who knows? Maybe a Christmas miracle will come through and I'll finally get my Christmas arrest. Fucking doubt it though. I've been trying for how many years and I've yet to get one in December. I have so many lines saved up for fucking when I do though. Bloody ho ho ho, you're under arrest. Looks, oh fuck if I know. I'll text you because I have video footage running already and I don't want to put that on. What do you think's a better Christmas arrest? Ho ho ho, you're under arrest. Looks like you made it. Looks like you made it on Santa's naughty list this year. Looks like you'll be getting coal in your stocking this year or next year. I have so many, and they're not that great. They're fucking cheesy as shit. But, but. Oh, it's gonna hang up. You're in charge of door duty? No, I can still see a light.
Can you?
Vaguely, yeah. Hey, Potato, we got video footage going already. It's like 98% sure it's just reflection, but...
That light up on the top?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm 99%.
The only weird thing is there's a bunch of condensation up top.
That's normal. The windows have been condensating really bad the past week here due to the cold. And not to mention we had a sudden temperature shift.
And the stick's missing.
Yeah, that however,
Yep.
is working.
I got cuffs. I got a new pair of pink cuffs to break in.
Very nice.
Just in case. I mean, I highly doubt it.
Alright,
Oh, she's even got the elf hat on.
you take
Potato, you're letting me down.
you take up or I'll take lower.
Well, we're gonna have...
Probably the easiest way to do this would be you take up or I take lower. Sherry watches the door.
Yeah, she's gonna be on the door, so I think you and I should go up right away just in case.
Actually, that's not a bad idea.
I doubt anything, but...
Yeah, especially now, look, we've moved positions now.
Yeah, but it's not like we're being quiet either.
How would they have gotten in though? They climbed up on the roof.
Yeah, but you can. We're waiting.
Huh?
Then might as well have a dart while I'm waiting. Fuck, I smoke too much.
You want to take, is that take point going upstairs or do you want me to?
I'll take point.
Okay. Is that the key? Hold on.
I don't know. We gotta find a way to mark this fucking piece.
See it lying there.
Yes, it's 50-50.
Push it in a little bit. Still a log. Stick's missing.
Could have been the district that put it down.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know if there's any of this.
It's hard to tell.
Yeah, we'll clear up here.
Yeah, let's take a look downstairs in case they made it down there.
Yeah. Trust me, if there was someone up here, you would have heard yelling by now.
I'm trying to boost a car, brother.
What's that?
You take right, Potato? You want to go right?
Yeah, I'm going right.
No, it's been there for a while. It's from when we got Adam in here. This building is not well insulated. It's actually kind of chilly in here. Pardon?
$13,500 to move it.
And they spent a hell of a lot more putting in some form of foundation. Now it's going to tear it down. Tato, you good? Probably. God, this place is fucking gross. You check the bathrooms? Oh, hey, I found some tools that weren't in here before. Oh, just some screwdrivers that weren't there before. You may have startled me a little bit, Tato. Didn't know you were outside.
I thought you said check the back.
No, I said you checked the bathrooms.
Oh, after, yeah, they check the back.
Fuck.
I thought you said check the back. I thought you said check the back, so I went and checked the back.
you made me jump a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. Where's this crack pipe now?
That's really descriptive.
Oh, you mean the thing on the table? Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's not, it's just a Crayola thing, that's not gonna smash. Well, it wasn't there before. Huh, they're using the light bulb to smoke it.
Huh, fascinating.
True.
How are they getting in here, though?
Still a bit of resin on too. I don't have the Rona, I just smoke too much.
Yeah, how are they getting in there?
You know, we've been trying to figure out where in the good, there's a basement. There has to be a way.
A basement.
There has to be a way in.
If you read in the paper, the way they talk about this place, when they moved it up to here, it was the Hope Art Center, right? And they had plays in here.
Yeah.
And they would wait downstairs and listen, and when their cue was coming, they would all run outside, around, and in. So there isn't a way to get up here.
Yeah, there's that. I think there is. There's nothing even around here that even looks like there might be a trap door or something.
Yeah, maybe not. Oh? That's new.
What is this?
Little note there. So yeah, they're getting in here somehow, because that wasn't there last time we were in here. Push. There. Yeah, half one anyway.
Yeah. No, that has a tip on it.
Does it?
Yeah, it does. It has a bit of a tip on it.
Oh, it does.
Yeah, it has a tip on it.
Do you have a sharp container in it?
One of my cars.
Just gonna leave it there free to grab. Okay, so we established
Somehow, did you actually like pull up on all the windows on the upstairs?
they're all locked still.
Like, yeah, have you actually pulled up to see if the lock is still working though?
No.
Yeah, do that. Check to see if it's entirely possible someone might have snapped one of the locks, so it looks like it's locked, but it's not.
Yeah,
What did you do with it? Where'd it go?
right there.
Right. Oh, okay.
Hold the light for potato. Check out there. Definitely locked.
Unless there's somehow a way in from the roof that we don't know about.
You two grab that ladder and follow me.
Do I have to say in this?
Nope.
Okay.
What am I doing?
Help potato with the ladder.
Where are we going? Oh, we're going. Yeah, I know. This is a narrow spot. Narrow.
Huh. I don't like this. I don't think we need the ladder. Yeah, I don't think we need the ladder. I found one. Never mind about the ladder. I found one. Let's come bring a light over here.
Thanks.
Well, this wasn't like this before.
Doesn't that just go up to the second floor?
Nope, this is a total separate area.
Are you sure?
Yep.
It looks like it would go up to the second.
No, you see the wall and everything cut. I think we found how they're getting in.
How are they getting in up there?
Point your light down.
Sorry.
Keep,
How are they getting in down there? Is there a way into that space from the outside?
I don't know. We're gonna move this and actually put the real ladder up there and I'm gonna find out.
Is it a piece of wood?
Yeah, it was pretty sturdily built fucking shelf though. Oh, I don't bill it for this.
No, you don't. Technically, you don't build. You're trying to sneak.
Okay. Khronos security. We have no idea what we're doing sometimes.
I thought it had a small foldable ladder we could just use.
Fuck. Hold on.
Yeah, this is gonna work, man.
This is gonna work. Maybe not well, but it's gonna work.
You want me to come back tomorrow, or?
Good chance. Enough determination, anything is.
What?
So close. So fucking close. It's just too long. Yeah, but we're already in here. I don't want to lock up and go back.
Why do we have to lock up? Where is it? I thought it was in the back of your truck.
No. It's
Well,
at
just
home.
go fucking run to your house quickly and come back.
It's all in the box.
Fucking god. Fine, then use the shelving unit. I don't give a shit.
Oh, hold on. Fuck you, pheasants. Oh no, it won't fit. It's not. Yeah.
Well, technically now you have it jammed up in there.
Just gotta move this. Want to shine a light back here?
Yeah, I'm waiting for you.
Yeah, that's no, that's a problem.
You're caught up against something there.
Okay, it's got a little bit higher.
You're like jammed the ladder right into the corner there. It's actually in the wood.
Huh.
So
Watch out, Tim.
there you go. You're free. There we go. Straight up. Straight up.
You know what's missing out of here?
What?
All right.
The red lights.
Yeah, the district took them out.
Oh, the district.
All right, lights and hold the ladder.
Yep.
And to all of you just said I couldn't do this, fuck you.
Jesus.
I'm oh shit. It's gonna.
You're not gonna.
Yeah, you're
fit
not
through
gonna fit
that.
through that.
Somebody's just gonna hold the ladder.
Yeah, put it straightly vertical like that, and then try to get started so I can grab something there. Hold this.
This is real easy for you guys saying this.
Yep.
You're the one that wants to venture.
Again, that might not be the hard part. It's getting down.
Yeah, that's gonna be the fun part. Maybe just go up there and just shine your flashlight around. Alright.
Too fast for this. You got it, Potato?
Yeah, you're good. Don't worry. I got your ladder. Like I said, I would just shine the flashlight around for you, man. It's not worth it.
Oh, really? I just found a hidey hole.
No shit. Didn't we establish that 10 minutes ago?
Yeah, I can actually see it now. There's something in it.
In the hidey hole? Like a body?
I don't know. Whew. Huh. Pretty solid building though, holy shit. Don't jinx me. Ugh. so there. I'm on the beams.
I'm just waiting.
Yeah, Potato, break my fall.
Sorry, that's not above my pay grade.
Well, maybe. Hurt less for me though.
Don't worry, you died your wife was trying to worry.
Good to know. Holy fuck. Maybe one way in. Window.
Window open? Can you open it?
I don't know, I'm heading over there right now.
Oh, one of the ones on the side here. Forgot about those.
It looks like it does open, or did at some point. If it opens, I don't know how, but definitely was open at one point.
Okay.
Bird shit everywhere is up here.
Can you secure it?
Well, I can't get it open, so
I mean, if you put a stick or something in it, so there's no chance of it opening?
no. Unless, oh, okay. Nope. I don't think it opens. Or, not anymore anyways. Yeah. Well, someone grab the ladder, I'm coming down.
Yeah, I gotcha. Alright, have fun. You know, I'm not gonna lie, it might just be easier to just jump down.
Potato,
Yeah?
I weigh 230 intact here. I'll break my knees.
That sounds like a you problem.
Sounds like a problem I don't want to be a part of.
Yeah, so I think you're gonna fall on me and break my everything.
Well, nah, you should be fine. Hey, no, I need your light. Yeah. Too fast for this.
Yeah. Oh, you almost kicked me right in the fucking face.
Sorry, Potato.
Easy, easy.
You're good as the whole ladder moves.
Yeah, you're fine. Don't worry about it. See, you're fine. So good.
Yeah, that was kind of cool up there, actually.
Yeah. I wonder if there was an easier way to get up there.
Hey, I got the ladder in there. This is cool.
A bunch of old photos. Getting in here recently, so that is a high quality door blocker.
Hey, if it works, it works. Well, if that fails, a screw through the door frame usually works. Well, that comes the end of this Khronos video, YouTube.